Recently, in one of the competitive exams, there was one very good question given from multiple submultiple chapter of trigonometry. Now the question was, if x is equal to cot 6 degrees into cot 42 degrees, y is equal to tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees, find the value of y by x. Options were, first option was 2, second option 1 by 2, third option 1, fourth option 4. These were the 4 options. Very good question. Now what we do is, before we start doing this problem, let us write one very important formula of multiple submultiple chapter. The formula is tan theta into tan 60 degrees minus theta into tan 60 degrees plus theta is always equal to tan 3 theta. Very important formula. Now what we do is, in this formula, first put theta equal to 18 degrees. First you put theta equal to 18. What happens to the formula? We get tan 18 degrees into tan 60 degrees minus 18, tan 42 degrees into tan 60 degrees plus 18. It is tan 78 degrees equal to tan 3 into 18, tan 54 degrees. Okay. So from here, cot 6 degrees into cot 42 degrees is asking. So what we do is, we write this first as tan 42 degrees into tan 78 degrees is equal to tan 54 degrees by tan 18 degrees. Mark this as 1. Okay. Now in the same formula, now you put theta equal to 6 degrees. What happens to the formula? Tan 6 degrees into tan 60 degrees minus 6, tan 54 degrees into tan 60 plus tan 66 degrees is equal to tan 18 degrees. So from here, let us try to calculate tan 6 degrees into tan 66 degrees equal to tan 18 degrees by tan 54. Okay. Now what we do now is multiply 1 and 2. Multiply equation 1 and 2. Now equation 1 right hand side is tan 54 by tan 18. Equation 2 right hand side is tan 18 by tan 54. So when you multiply right hand side, multiplying 1 and 2, what happens to the right hand side? We get tan 42 into tan 78 into tan 6 into tan 66 degrees. What happens to right hand side? It becomes 1. Therefore, tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees, we can also write it as 1 by tan 42 degrees into tan 6 degrees. We can write it as 1 by tan 42. Therefore, tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees is equal to 1 by tan 42 is cot 42 and 1 by tan 6 degrees is cot 60. 1 by tan 6 degrees is cot 6 degrees. Now what is x? X is cot 6 into cot 42. And what is y? Tan 66 into tan 70. So this implies y is equal to x. This implies y equal to x. Now what is he asking? Y by x. Therefore y by x is equal to 1. Therefore correct option is third one. Thank you.